Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about 5-by analysis. So what is 5-by analysis? The 5-by methods is a part of a Toyota production system. It's developed by Toyoda, a Japanese inventor and industrialist. The technique became an integral part of the lean philosophy. This is also known as the 5-by analysis, right? And this tool is used to find the root cause of the problem, also known as root cause analysis. So why analysis? So every team faces the roadblocks in their daily work. However, using the 5 whys will help you find the root cause of any problem and protect the process from reoccurring mistakes and failure. Right. And the basis of Toyota's scientific approach is to ask why 5 times whenever we find a problem. So by repeating why 5 times, the nature of the problem as well as its solution becomes clear. And this theory was given by Taichi Ono. Okay. And if you see, so if you ask the first question, right, the answer to the first question becomes the question to the next why. And the answer to the second why becomes the question for the third why. And that's how if you follow this process, you'll be able to find the root cause of the problem. So this is the overall high level why analysis. So first you have to define the problem here. So what is the problem statement, right? And then go through why process it, I mean between 3 to 5 times to find the exact root cause. So why is it happening? And then the answer to that problem becomes the question for the other why. And the answer for this why becomes the question for the third why. And the answer for the third why becomes the question for the fourth why. And similarly, you have to repeat this cycle minimum, until you reach between 3 to 5 or 6 or 7, you're going to find the root cause of the problem, and you'll also find the solution also, because the problem will going to tell you the solution also, right? So let's take one example of why analysis, right? Or any problem that you come across which is occurring frequently, right? Which is actually impacting the overall project. So this is the best approach to follow it. So define the problem. So let's, the problem is cross the red light, right? And why this has happened? Because it was late for the work. And why was late for the work? Because I woke up late. And why I woke up late? Because alarm did not work. Okay. So why did the alarm did not work? Battery exhausted, right? So you have to find those question, and those question becomes the answer for the next one, right? So why is that? So why the battery got exhausted? Because I forgot to check. So this is the root cause, because I have not. It's a human actually. You see, it's a human misses, or what do you call the mistake, which has lead to the major problem, right? So that becomes the root cause. Now, when you reach the root cause, you'll see what is the action that can be taken or would have taken to avoid this in future, right? So this is first is you have to change the battery now, so that you will not go to get the same problem again. And then you have to create something standard, some standard process, so that you don't occur in future also. So first is battery to be replaced, and then battery to be checked for replacement on every 6 months, right? So you have to follow this every 6 months. You have to check that okay, the battery water is full and the battery is working fine. If the battery is not, then what needs to be done? It has to be replaced or sent for repair. So how to do this 5 analysis? So form a team. So there are when you work on the assignment or the project, you work with multiple teams, right? A team could be from different sections or department. So you have to invite them and then schedule a meeting with them and define the problem. So define the problem, that what is the problem that you want to do the root cause analysis and make the improvement on the overall of the process, right? And then ask why. So once you have the problem, now ask why, and ask at least 3 to 5 why or 6 why to reach to the root cause of the problem. So once you identify the root cause, you can take the action. You can identify the action owner, and you can also see what needs to be done so that the action can be tracked regularly. So this is about the fiber analysis.